Hello guys, today I am very surprised and very happy to see one of my students. He sent me email today and he gave me all the information about his trade. So I want just to share with you guys what he did. He did some mistakes but he followed my strategies, and this is the good thing. Okay, understand that when the market has been going down, as I'll always show you in the coronavirus bad news, when we have a downtrend, I always show you this in my live sessions. And then after that, he bought a stock from the bottom. Okay, and this is one of it's difficult. It's not easy. I will show you right now the chart, and you will understand that it's not that easy, because you will hesitate, and sometimes you have no courage to buy because you think that no one is buying. The second thing, what he based his strategy is my new strategy, which is called coronavirus stocks strategy. I have never done a strategy based on speculation. This is the first time since 2010. I have never done that. This is just for this year. After I see that there is bad news about coronavirus, I got the idea that later a lot of companies will find some good news, like a cure or like a vaccine. So I come up with this strategy, and I publish it around the beginning of March. All my students who have been subscribed to me, I give them this strategy for free, and I have explained in my trading account. I have explained this. I have showed them a lot of stocks that now we have bought some, and we make a very high percentage, and it means all my students know about this strategy, and it was a new strategy. Okay, so let's go to the chart and just show you this stock. Now this stock is called IBO. Okay, so we have the first gap up. This is because of the news. It's not earnings. Most of this, it's not earnings. It is just the good news in the market. Then the stock will be going down, and then we have the whole trend. So he bought all this whole trend, and he made a lot of money. Okay, so you ask me where he bought and why and how. Now this I will not tell you because it's something related to my strategies. So the one thing, the strategy, buying from support line, maybe you have known it, but when and how to recognize the support line, it's my strategy, and you will find it in the in the ebook or in the videos training. Okay, but the other strategy, which is based on speculation, that this kind of stocks that are dealing with cures, with coronavirus, with protection, with a lot of stuff, this could be a high potential. This is from March. Okay, so now let's go to the information. As you can see, okay, you see here. So let's give you this. At least you will understand what this guy has done. So he bought 8,253 shares of the stock IBO. This is from his account. So today is 391, but he bought it older and older time ago. It's like 2 or 3 months ago. Okay, so he made $19,506.29. Okay, and the cost basis, it means he bought a lot of times. So this quantity it's not bought on the one time. He bought it on mini, but the cost basis, it means how much is the share is 1.55. Now it is 3.91. Now he bought other quantity also, 1744 shares, and at $1.52 cost basis, it means he bought many times, and then he got a $4,168.26. Now the whole thing in general, he bought 9,979. It means you do just you sum up this with this, but he didn't buy them on one time. He bought all these shares on many times and different prices. But the cost basis in general, it is $1.55, and the stock is IBO, and the profits is $23,674.55 in these 2 or 3 months. Okay, so this is a big profit for a small account. That's why I told you before that penny stocks can be a very good rewarding. Now this trade is based on coronavirus strategy. I will show it to you right now. And trading level 13, this is my swing trading. This is one of my swing trading strategies, but this is new. Coronavirus strategy is new. So the links are in the description. Now the profits is 156.77%, and this is how he gets $23,674.55. Now let's go to the to where you find this. So when you go to my website, so you go to ebooks here, training by ebook. Now here is my strategy, how to make big money from coronavirus 2020. This is my new speculation strategy. You click that. Okay, so how to make big money from coronavirus stocks. So this is the strategy that I have done, and if you want to get it, you just go, and it is an ebook. Okay, and you see I got this guy, I don't know the rating. So if you want to get training 13, you can get it by video. So just go to the training by video and go to training level 13, which is this, how to buy a stock from the support line. Click that. Now this is by video. We have 11 videos explaining the details how to buy from the support line. It gives you the guidelines, it gives you all the information, and if you have for example, if you have a question or something, you can call me back. Now we have also, you can find it in an ebook because it is cheaper for those who can't afford the videos, but it says cheap, it's not that big deal. So you can go to training 13 here, you click that, and this is training, and you find 25 pages in this ebook. It explains how to buy a stock from the support line. Okay, so guys, this is just to share with you guys, but most of you, if you are interested really to see what I am doing in my trading account, just go do silver or golden subscription. Just try 1 month. Try to check all our stocks when I bought them, because we have history. From the 31st of January till now, you have a history. Any stock that you see in the account, you should just go and see where we have bought it, and I show the day. And it means I can't lie about these things, guys. Come on, guys. All my subscribers, okay, when I buy a stock, I show it to them. Even if it goes down and they sell it, they see that I have sold it, it means it's normal. It's normal. I buy stocks, I sell stocks when they are bad, but I apply my rules. This is the most important thing you can take into consideration. I am following rules that I have made through these years, and the account is good. We are making right now, I think, 84%, and we are excellent. A lot of my subscribers, almost all, who have bought same stocks, they are making this 84% or 60% or 50% of their money, or 40% or whatever. But all of them, they should have made money. And this is the most important thing. Now, for me, it's not only to make money. For me, I want to make real traders. You can be independent. You don't have to follow me for years. Just enough to understand my strategies. And if you want to, because some they say, why you use this criteria, why you use this, why you use this, I explain to them until they get convinced that it is the right strategy, and they begin to trade, they make money. And this is why I am here. I'm just sharing my information with all of the guys. The trading account, you see it, you see what I buy, you see what I sell, you see how much money I make in this trading account. That's it. Thank you very much. If you all the links should be below in the description, either subscription or either these ebooks, or you just take a look. You don't have to buy it, just take a look. But for me, subscription is better, because subscription, you see all the videos, you see all the trades that I have done for 3 months, 4 months. It means now we are in July, it means 6 months from the 31st of January till now. 6 months of trading. Okay? And believe it or not, we have not done too many trades, because if I am in a trade 3 months or 4 months, there are some trades that now I am in 4 months, 5 months. A stock that it is I am in 5 months. You can just check, it's going good, so why I sell it? Okay, this is the good thing. It means you don't have to buy and sell like day trading. It's overwhelming, it's stressful, and you will never make money as if you do swing trading. That's why I do swing trading. Although I have been a day trader, but I forget about day trading. It's a lot of work, and it doesn't work that much. Thank you very much.